Hi, my name's Joseph. I had an upper implant with Dr. Hahn. I broke my tooth and I had a root canal done, and I broke it again probably 10, 15 years later. And after the second repair, I started having bone loss, and the tooth just fell out. When I bit into a candy bar or something like that, and that tooth broke, it kind of scares you, because you're thinking, what can they do to fix this? You know, it's a front tooth, your smile. And then when I came in and saw, Dr. Hahn was already my dentist, so when I went to see him and he told me my options, I felt confident. I didn't worry about it at all.
Joseph came in originally with his tooth fracture because he had a root canal done on that tooth for a long time. So we ended up doing a dental implant, but for his case, his bone structure wasn't that great, so we had to do a lot of the bone graft procedures. So this case was referred to an oral surgeon. So I worked closely with the oral surgeon to achieve the optimal goal. And then Joe came back to restore his front teeth.
Dr. Hahn's chairside manner is, he's real mellow. Makes me feel good, because the whole time the implant procedure was going on, he was always worried about my smile and how it looked. Since the procedure, everything is fine. I'm able to smile confidently. I would recommend this office to anybody that needs any kind of dental work. To me, he's honest and he's got a good personality. What else could you ask for a dentist?